Hello, good morning, Mr. George and Miss Nina.
Good morning.
Okay, thank you very much for taking your time to get this interview. And today we want to ask you some questions. So could you please briefly introduce your company and your main products?
Our company working 95% for Swedish big company IKEA. We are furniture producer from metal components, and we use a lot of different type of metal, sheet metal, tubes, and many other.
Okay, so could you tell us what is the main challenge that you are facing, which motivated you to find the laser machines and the robots?
Many years ago, maybe 2008-9 year, we start working with a Chinese company. We visit one very nice fair in Guangzhou. There we met many firms from China who produce very nice machines. And when we compare all these machines which we see with many European machines, we found that this is very nice challenge for us, because the price and the quality is totally different. Quality of machines based on the price of machine is much more good for us.
Okay, thank you. And as I can see now in your factory, you have more and more Chinese machines. So how do you think about the Chinese machines?
We can say that the machines from your country, produced from your companies, is about world's level of quality and produced from them product. And we think you grow very fast and continuously upgrade and machines, and they are a very nice quality for us.
Okay.
And after that, for us, is challenge to reduce the people, because for problem with people in Europe, and to switch more machines like robots and lasers, it means to reduce the number of people who works from us. This is from one side, and from other side, we improve by your machine our quality of final product.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your kind comment on our products and the Chinese products. And so this time it's your repeat order on SteviS machines for 30 sets, including the laser cutting machines and the robots. So did you consider other suppliers before you chose us? And what makes you choose us?
Of course, before taking decision which machine to buy, we we consider us and speak with our colleagues, with my engineers, and consider many offers before. At the moment, we have, I think, 13 machines from SteviS, which for us are very important, because you give us a final decision for many special things which we should doing. This what SteviS do for us is very important, because you give us not only machine, you give us decision how to work and how to produce some special detail.
Okay, thank you very much. And could you recommend our machines and service to other company and your colleagues?
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you. So, we want to know to have your suggestion for us to improve our machines and our service and other parts that is important for us to keep improving.
I think that you do it day by day, your improvement, and for these years which we work with you, we see so many improvements of the machines, so many improvements of the robots, and how is happened today. We saw that we buy last year one robot. You see, this is very old version. We have many new, which is great for us.
Okay, thank you very much. So today's interview is finished. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your continued support and trust on us.
Okay, we thank you.
Thank you.
Very much.